Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and selamat sejahtera. Let's continue our online lecture on last subtopic in genetic inheritance. 4.2 Deviation from the Mendelian inheritance. For your information, in the real world, not every trait are inherited according to Mendelian law. In fact, most inheritance does not follow Mendelian law. This inheritance show a deviation from Mendelian inheritance. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to define and give example of each type of inheritance that deviate from Mendelian, which are codominant allele, incomplete dominant allele, multiple allele, polygene, linked genes, and sex-linked gene. Okay, let's start with codominant allele. Codominant allele occur when two alleles are fully expressed in heterozygous form. This is because both alleles are equally dominant. For example, in human MN blood group. Do take note on how the alleles are denominated. Capital L with superscript M refer to allele to produce antigen M, while capital L with superscript N refer to allele that produce antigen N. Next is incomplete dominant allele. It occurs when one allele is not fully dominant over the other allele. Therefore, progenies with heterozygous genotypes have intermediate phenotypes. A good example of this is the snapdragon flower, Antherinum species. Please take note on how the alleles are represented by capital letter C and superscript letter R for red color, or superscript letter W for white color. The pink flower is intermediate phenotype. Multiple allele. It is a situation where one gene controlled by more than two alleles that can occupy the same locus. This is case all alleles control the same characteristic. A good example of this is the ABO blood group in human. Please take note that all dominant alleles are represented by capital letter I, while recessive alleles are represented by lowercase I. The types of antigen produced are represented by superscript letter A and B. Next is polygene. It involves one characteristic, but the characteristic is controlled by many genes. All genes control the same characteristic. All of the traits considered as polygenes are usually quantitative. In other words, are measurable using proper instrument. A common example of this is the human skin color. Here we can see the cumulative effect on skin color. Note that the degree of darkness changes with the presence of dominant allele for each gene. Linked genes. It occurs when two or more genes that determine the different characteristics located on the same chromosome. There are two possibilities when it comes to linked gene. If the alleles are both located on autosome, it is normally known as linked genes. While if both alleles located at either one of the sex chromosome, it will be known as sex-linked gene. Linked genes is represented by either using oblique symbol or two parallel straight lines. The example of linked genes is inheritance of body color and wing size in fruit fly Drosophila species. Minor deviation from the Mendelian inheritance are sex-linked genes. Sex-linked genes occur when the gene is located on either sex chromosome. Human sex are determined based on XY system. Female human sex chromosome consists of XX combination or also known as homogamy, while male human consists of XY combination or also known as heterogametes. One example of sex-linked genes is blood clotting disorder, hemophilia. For your information, hemophilia is sex-linked recessive inheritance. Recessive allele that may cause hemophilia as lowercase h, while normal allele are capital letter H. Either one of these alleles may located on the X chromosome only. Therefore, males usually suffer the effect of sex-linked recessive disorder, since they only have one X chromosome, while female has another X chromosome, and that chromosome may contain a dominant allele that may reduce the effect of recessive allele. Before our lecture session ends, let's test your knowledge about today's lesson. Please answer the following question. Question 1. Question 2.